Moen Commercial's sensor-operated flush valves are a marvel of engineering, built for the real world, designed to withstand the constant use and harsh demands of commercial applications year after year. This sensor emits an infrared beam. When a user steps into range, the system goes into hold mode. Step out of range, and the sensor triggers a flush cycle that automatically resets for the next person. M sensor-operated flush valves are available in battery, AC-powered, and retrofit models to fit the widest variety of applications. In this module, we'll demonstrate the battery-powered M sensor-operated flush valve. So let's get started. Start by slipping on the water supply tube and wall flange. Then screw on the angle stop. Then slide the tailpiece nut onto the tailpiece from the bottom. Insert the vacuum breaker into the top of the tailpiece. Slip the spud coupling onto the base of the tailpiece and position the slip gasket and then the rubber gasket into the base of the coupling. Rest this small tailpiece gasket in the top of the vacuum breaker. Now you can use the tailpiece nut to secure the entire tailpiece assembly to the base of the valve body. Thread the spud coupling onto the male fitting at the top of the urinal or closet. Then secure the angle stop to the flush valve with the nut. Your last step is to activate the electronic sensor. To do this, remove the two screws holding the sensor cap in place using the wrench provided. This will expose the two battery holders. Lift them out and insert a total of 4 AA batteries, which are included with the flush valve. Replace both holders. To activate the electronic sensor, push the reset button. You will see this red light flash twice, followed by a click noise, followed by a green flash. The red flash will repeat twice more. This is your confirmation that the system is ready to function. It's a good idea to always push the reset button after every adjustment for optimal performance. The Moen M sensor-operated flush valve comes preset to deliver 1 pint to 1 gallon per flush for urinals, 1.28 to 1.6 gallons for closets, and 1 to 1.6 gallons for the new dual flush model, depending on the timing of the user. And all models have a 3-second delay before the sensor resets for the next flush. The sensor distance is factory set at approximately 25 to 30 inches for the closet model and 15 to 20 inches for the urinal, although distance can be adjusted after installation for optimal performance. For this installation, however, you can replace the cap and tighten the screws. M also includes a retrofit option. This battery-powered valve adapts easily to existing fixtures, regardless of whether the original valve was manual, electronic, or even a competitor's product, using the existing plumbing rough-in and shut-off valve. Make sure the water is turned off before you begin. Take off the supply tube that's currently connected to the shut-off valve. Take out the existing product by removing the tailpiece nut that's attached to the original flush valve. Now you only have to replace the old head with the new M battery-operated valve and turn on the water. No need to replace plumbing or adjust fixtures. It's that simple. As a member of the U.S. Green Building Council, Moen is committed to engineering products that maximize energy efficiency in commercial applications, helping you earn lead points. Empower, the first choice for making water last.